One, two, three.
All right, so we're here with a Ugreen. Hi.
How you doing?
Please introduce yourself.
Sure, my name's Hernan, and I'm here with Ugreen.
And here we have a bunch of NAS. Is this a network attached storage from Ugreen? Is
Absolutely,
it a new product?
yes. Yep, no, absolutely. It's a new product for us. As you know, Ugreen's been around since 2012, and this is a new innovation for us, technology. Now we're in the storage industry. These will be released in March and available for purchase in March.
And what is this?
This is another small form factor NAS system. As you can see here, it takes NVMe's. It takes 1 terabyte SSD NVMe's.
4 of them?
Yep, so that's 4 terabytes.
Wow.
Yep, in a nice compact mini little NAS system like this you can carry around, take it with you. The good thing is it's in RAID format. One of these fail, that you can take it out, replace it, and won't compromise any of your data.
It could be pretty fast?
It's super fast, blazing fast.
Not
Absolutely.
10 gigabit, no?
Yeah, no. But here we have, speaking of the 10 gigabit, we have Thunderbolt ports here.
Ah, those could be 40 gigabit.
Yes.
They are pretty fast.
They are extremely fast.
So you can use it as a kind of like an external drive.
Correct.
SSD.
Yeah, correct. Now these can go directly into your device that has the Thunderbolt port.
All right. And is this like the same chipset in the whole series?
No, they're different. They vary. For example, this has the new Intel N100 processor CPU. It's a brand new processor, right? And so both of these actually have them. The only difference is the drive size. This is 2 and this is 4. Each one of them holds 14 terabyte drives.
All right, and this?
And these are larger form factor. And with the larger form factor, obviously comes more horsepower. So this comes in a larger processor, Intel i3 and Intel i5 as well. Form factor changes as well. So we have 10 gigabit connection in the back.
Dual?
Dual, correct.
So that means 20?
That is correct.
All right.
And if you see the front here, you can see here, we have an SD card slot here. You can slide in your card directly, drag and drop your images and videos straight out of your camera.
Nice.
Yeah.
All right. As this is gigabit?
Correct. No, 2.5.
2.5?
2.5, correct.
All right. How's the price? Is it going to be better than Synology and stuff like that?
It's, Synology doesn't have our hardware, but if they did, it would be, the pricing for the Bay, it's relatively low, considering the competition and all the other NAS systems out there. Relatively lower. The only difference is that our hardware is a little bit more advanced and progressive. It's newer, so it's kind of hard to gauge, but nonetheless, it is inexpensive.
So what's the number 2 biggest NAS company? There's Synology and there's
QNAP.
QNAP, and I forgot which one is number 1 and 2, but you say that what you're doing is not matched by some of these guys?
No, it's completely different. So it's sort of like, you kind of imagine vehicle, for example, Mercedes versus BMW. Obviously, you can't say one is better than the other, right? So each one has its uniqueness. For example, our systems here, they have the new Intel processor, right? The Intel N100. Neither Synology nor QNAP has it. So it's difficult to compare them. As well as our operating system, it's very different and unique as well. You can do a search inside our file manager. You can type in the word tax, for example, taxes, and it'll search. It'll scrub through all your files, and it'll pull up all of the documents that say the word tax on them. So you can do an intuitive search, as well as images. You can type in the word ball, and it'll pull up all the images that have balls on them. So, it's very, very different.
Is it using FreeNAS OS or something?
No, it's our own proprietary.
Proprietary. It's not open source?
No, it's ours. It's ours, and it's Linux
based on Linux.
Correct. You
and
got it.
Very stable.
100% stable.
But this is a brand new product for Ugreen, so that means you haven't put it out there to see if stability is good and
actually,
everything yet.
we have about 250,000 NAS systems in the market right now that have been sold throughout the world. So we do have them out. They are working functionally.
It's been for a while already?
Oh yeah, absolutely. The only difference is these are the ones coming into the United States. So these are the all new systems.
All right.
as compared to the current systems that we have now.
That are
So,
only in other markets?
only in other markets, but these will also be joining the international markets as well.
All right. And it says here, unleash the future of NAS. Does Ugreen do any NAS with the ARM CPU? Or is,
No.
Is always using Intel?
Yeah, always using Intel, and the reason is because of the functionality that it does. It requires a more robust CPU than perhaps an Atom processor or something like that.
All right. The way I see Ugreen often with all these adapters and stuff, it's terms of reliable quality
Yeah.
and in decent price. And it's kind of like the philosophy here.
Yeah, so that's exactly what we're shooting for. That's exactly what we're in line for. So again, since 2012, Ugreen has been providing the consumers with really excellent quality products, and we're going to continue that now in the storage industry, bringing that same reputation into storage.